I got a J737, which is basically a J7 2018. So if your model number is J737, then you know that you have a 2018. Also, you can look at the placement, which I'll be showing you in the video. And also, let's turn your cracked screen into a working phone, which I've already done. I'm just doing the intro late. Anyways, guys, look forward to the video, and thanks for watching. It's Dustin with TechMD. A little quick commercial break. We got a product called Liquid Glass that can cover your phone against $400 in damages or even $150 against damages. And it's super cheap, and it's good for a whole year with no deductible. I'm going to have a link in the description below describing the whole product and how the whole process works in a separate video. Thanks for watching. Now back to the video. Okay, so we got the J7 in front of us. We went ahead and turned it off on the side here. This phone is fairly straightforward and simple. How you can tell you have a 2018 version is that you look at the home button orientation. It looks a little bit different, as you can see here. A little bit different here, okay? So you can put liquid glass on this or a tempered glass for protection to protect your phone. Highly recommend one of those. We're gonna go ahead and start warming it up with a heat gun. You can put your hot plate to 100 degrees Celsius or your heat gun just on high. You can get a hot plate or a heat gun at the link in the description. Okay, guys. We're gonna warm this up. We're just going to need an iFlex tool to get this open, or any prying tool. But I like the iFlex tool because it's nice and thin and is able to get inside the phone. This repair shouldn't take you very long at all. You can put down Testa tape for adhesive, or you can use glue substance to actually glue down the screen as well. And I'll show you which glue. Okay, so we got it nice and warm, hot to the touch. I'm going to take our iFlex tool and our heat resistant gloves so we don't burn ourselves, because obviously it's hot to the touch, right? I'm going to go ahead and separate this. We're not going to focus on glass repair because separating glass and then fusing and bonding, it's just not worth the time for a part that cost $25. Okay, sometimes your phone will come on, don't worry about it. And sometimes you'll kill the display too, which, once again, don't worry about it. I'll just turn it off here. I'll teach you how to turn it off and reset it. So you can order the double-sided adhesive. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that, so I'm just going to use glue today. Get a pry tool like an iseasmo and pop that off. Okay. I'm going to test the new screen out. So since I accidentally clicked it on, first we got to make sure it clicks on here. Come on. Okay. So we're gonna hold down the volume down and power button to reset it. Oh, never mind. We don't have to do this one. Our touch is not working, so I'm gonna try resetting it and see if that'll fix it. All right. Looks like our touch is working. That's a good thing. You hiding?
No, I'm just going downstairs.
Okay, your voice is now on YouTube. What are you going to do about that? Okay. Come on. So we're just going to touch everywhere here and make sure that screen fully functions. And I keep on clicking on other things. Reddit. You're a Reddit user?
Yep.
Oh, you must be a genius, right? Something like that. Facebook. You must have just got this phone a couple days ago, because you would have already deleted that as a young guy like yourself. You guys all like the Snapchats and Instagrams.
I don't have
What? You don't like social media?
Not yet. I don't really like it.
Not yet.
Yeah, I don't really care for that kind of stuff.
Maybe in a couple of years you will. How old are you?
Uh,
My B7000 is separating it at the seams. So if you ever have anything like defective like this, you could just send it back to the manufacturer. So you're going to either put down some tape with Tessa or some glue. We're going to go ahead and put down tape.
last year was July.
Oh, okay. So we're going to get that Tessa tape I was talking about, and we are going to tape it across here. You can get thinner stuff. I'm just using whatever size. I'll cut down the rest. I try not to use the glue stuff on Samsung, but if that's all you got, it should work just fine. It seems a little easier process too, but I like to do things right on camera as much as possible. So you just put a thin layer everywhere that the tape was, if you're doing glue. And if you see the screen, it has a tape layer, and you can actually look at it. See, you would have glue all over here if you're going to do glue. Sounds like a really old phone over there. It's a tablet? Oh, okay. Sounds like an old tablet because that's an old whistle I haven't heard in a while. Ooh, that darn knife got me the other day. This knife is super sharp, this X-Acto knife. Gotta watch out for it. Especially when you're being careless, apparently. Okay, let's put another strip down right here. Not every single little area needs to be covered, just enough. But I have all the different sizes of Tessa tape, which can be all found on the link in description below. So this is probably 2 millimeters, and then this one's 1 millimeter, okay, size. This one here I'm about to pull out. This one's a 0.5 millimeter, I do believe, even though it says 1 millimeter in there. It's just because I put it in its own little bag. You lose a lot of tape too, so don't stress. It just happens. It's part of the repair game. Oh, come on. Just gotta pull up all the tape. Okay, now that we're done fast forwarding through all that, you don't really need to see the details of that, but you get the general idea of running tape through it. Now we're going to take off this back piece. Sometimes they come with it. Go ahead and line up everything. And then either put some liquid glass on this or some temper glass. Should be good to go. Okay, we're going to turn this on here and make sure it works. You're going to touch the touchscreen, and yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any concerns, let me know, because I'm always interested in improving. If you have a better way of doing this, let me know what you think. Have a good one.